Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at another new extensions from Luminar Neo, the Noiseless AI. You can use this tool to reduce the noise in your photo. And as you know, you can find this tool in any photo editing software like Adobe, Photoshop or Affinity Photo. But is the noiseless in Luminar Neo is as good as the noise reduction in other photo editing software, or is it better? Let's find out. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into Luminar Neo and get started. Okay, so first to install the extensions, click on this little puzzle icon on top left right here and click on this install button. Okay, it's a pet extension, so you need to purchase it first to be able to use it. We'll get the price later. Okay, after that you can close down this windows and select the photo you want to edit. After that, go to edit tab and the noiseless extensions is located in extension tab. So just click on it to use it. Okay, so the Noiseless AI will determine the level of noise in your photo. So let me zoom in. You can see the noise in this photo and it will give you three different options right here from low, middle and high. Okay, it will suggest you which one to use. So for this photo, as you can see, it's written right here. Advise use the middle adjustments for this image. Okay, so just click on the button and the Noiseless AI will do all of the job to reduce the noise in this photo. Okay, so look at the result. This is the before and after. As you can see, it looks so much better. And you can always slide the sliders in this tab, okay, to give you better results. Okay, and then here's a comparison using Luminar Neo and other software, as you can see. Okay, so let's try another photo. How about this one? Okay, so here's the before and after. Look at the noise and look at how much the noise has gone using this tool with only one click. Okay, as you can see, here's the comparison between other software. Okay, and here's a few more comparisons using Luminar Neo Noiseless AI and other software noise reduction. Okay, and as you can see, this Noiseless AI does a good job at reducing the noise in photo. Okay, and for the price, if you are interested to purchase Luminar Neo with the extensions, you can click on the link in the description to get a discount. Okay, so this is the monthly subscription and this is the yearly subscription. Then this is the lifetime price with the extensions. Okay, and if you are already on Luminar Neo but you want to purchase the extensions, you can go to the website and get the price for the extension only. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to purchase it. Make sure you click the link in the description to get a discount. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the button like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have already. And I will see you guys in the next video.